Hi everyone, it's Grace here. Today I'll guide you through two fundamental aerial yoga asanas, on the hammock and swing seat. On the hammock is like when I'm standing on the ground, samastatihi, but on the hammock, a floating position. And swing seat is like when you're on the playground, swinging on the swing, so a seated position on the fabric. To get started, stand behind your hammock facing the front of your mat. Grab the bottom of the loop with about a fist or two of space between the hands and put the bottom of your right foot at the bottom of the loop. At the arch, so no heel and no toes. Grab even basic, one hand each post, extended arms overhead. Lift the base heel up and notice my arms are bent, so I have some room to slide my hands up to extend my arms again. But when you do this, make sure your shoulders are far away from your ears, so packed shoulders. Scapular retraction, scapular depression, and external shoulder rotation. Right foot presses down to minimize a swing. Avoid pressing forward in space. So press the right foot down as I pull my weight up to stand on the hammock, no swing. Regrip the fabric at a comfortable height. There are 4 total. Elbows bent at shoulder height, elbows bent at ear forehead height, elbows bent somewhere overhead, and extended arms overhead if you have the fabric length and if you feel comfortable. So pick your heights, shift the weight into your hands, and then you can put the free foot inside as well so that they are even, toes aligned, heels aligned. Avoid stacking your feet on top of each other like pancakes. So even feet, and feel the compression underneath your feet, a free massage. Reach the crown of your head high, pushing the arches down, oppositional forces, so that you can stand tall. To come out, avoid just hopping forward onto the ground. Instead, slide down into the swing seat. So for the most support, hands at shoulder height. Bend your knees, slide your hands down. Extend one leg forward at a time. And now you're sitting on the hammock like a swing seat. Fabric is at your thut, the crease at the low butt, upper thigh. To come out of your swing seat, shift the weight into your hands, and you can simply hop on out, no sound. There is another entrance into swing seat if you have the upper body strength. So grab anywhere overhead. If you grab somewhere underneath your head, it's very hard to pull your weight up. So pick your height overhead, extended arms with heels up for the most challenge. And from here, pull your weight up, elbows close to your midline, take a seat on the hammock. Swing seat. Most times I see, I don't want to pull myself up, so instead I'll just slide my hands under until I sit down. But then this can happen here, and they just slide back. And I caught myself, but there's a risk, of course, in that, and you always want to minimize the risk when you fly. Thanks for watching. See you at the next flight.